pieces of peppers and women's eye view. Let's proceed with Cook with Sheetal. This will be hosted here by Mrs. Sheetal Saraf. Her recipes are easy and yet very healthy. Sheetal is also a cooking instructor. This week, Sheetal will display beetroot boats and cucumber salad. Let's take a close look.
Good morning and hello. And I'm back and you're watching Cook with Sheetal and my name is Sheetal Saraf. Today I bring to you beetroot boats. It's a salad and it's a very colorful salad and the children are for sure going to be attracted to this one. So the ingredients for this are, we need some thinly sliced like sticks, carrots, and some fresh dill, some sun-dried tomatoes finely chopped, some cherry tomatoes, half, and some cream cheese for the dressing, some cucumbers chopped again into little thicker slices than usual, some black pepper, some Himalayan salt, and my favorite, maple pepper. This is a gift from a friend and I just love it. It's from Vermont and you should definitely try it. It's a must to try. And then beetroot, of course. How can we forget that? All right, so let's get started. First, I will be making my cheese filling for the beetroot. So we will take some cream cheese. So this adds a nice little flavor to our beetroot salad and kids would just love it. I have 2 kids and I'm always on the run to find recipes that are colorful, that are healthier. So they themselves tell me, oh mommy, I want to eat this. So now I'm going to add some black pepper, salt to taste, and maple pepper. If you don't have maple pepper, you can just use a regular maple syrup and black pepper. It would taste the same. But since I have this, I would be using it about 1/4 teaspoon of this. Then I would add to this sun-dried tomatoes, just a little bit. So it adds a little bit of sourness to the dressing and a little bit of oregano. And once I've added everything, I'm just gonna mix all of this real quick. And it's not going to take much time, just a minute. And there you go. So our cheese filling is ready. Keep the salt a little less than you normally add to your things because cream cheese is a little saltier anyway, so just a little bit, a pinch would do. So that's the filling and we're ready with that. Now, for the beetroot, we're gonna add about a cup of water and then I will be microwaving this for about 2 minutes until this becomes a little tender so I can chop thin slices out of this so we can create a boat shape. And if the 2 minutes doesn't work out because of the beetroot shape or your microwave is different, you can again put it for a minute again and then you can try to chop. And if it's easier to make thin slices, that's good enough. I have microwaved the beetroot for about 3 minutes in total, for 2 minutes and then 1 minute afterwards. So this is how it looks. And don't forget to use a set of gloves whenever you're working with beetroot because they stain your hands really quickly, and especially after they're cooked, they release their color really fast and you don't want to run around with pink hands. I don't want to run around with pink hands, so I'll just use a set of gloves. And then once they're tender, now I will chop them into thin slices so we can bend them to create a boat-like shape. Few slices like these, and I have some of them ready. So now the fun part begins, which is plating. For plating, I choose a very beautiful tile It's a cheese, it's a plate to display cheese, but I would use it for our salad right now. So the first thing is we're gonna take a cucumber. Let me get rid of my glove. Cucumbers are not gonna stain. So I'm gonna add cucumbers and I'm gonna gently coat them with the cheese filling so we can stick our beetroot boats to this. So now these are ready. With the cheese filling, if you like a lot of cheese, you can add more, and if no, you just add a little bit so you can just glue the beetroot. Now with the help of toothpick, we're gonna create a boat-like shape. So take a slice of beetroot, add cream cheese in the center. After doing that, we're gonna add some carrots. Then we are gonna add some fresh dill. With the help of toothpick, we're gonna insert it, and I'm gonna add a cherry tomato. A yellow cherry tomato would work, and we have created a boat. And this boat, I'm gonna put it on top of the cucumber. I have arranged about 3 pieces on this plate, but if you have a lot of people coming in, you could prepare all the pieces right in advance. Now to give it a last finishing touch, I have used a mix of black sesame, white sesame, and some toasted almonds. And I'm gonna just garnish this on top of the salad and bring some more color to this. And there you go. It is ready. With being holiday season, you can make these for your family and your loved ones, and I'm sure they're gonna love it. So friends, with few minutes left on the clock, I will show you a real quick salad recipe again with the salad theme going on. So I will be using some cucumbers, and it's a cucumber salad. And to get the stripe look on the cucumber, you just take the cucumber and peel it stripe ways. This way you just get the stripe look. And then you just slice the cucumber, and that way you get that dark and green color look to your salad. So I have some slices ready for the salad. And now in a bowl, I will be taking some sour cream, about 2 tablespoons. This will make a lot of pieces, so you don't need much. I will be adding some lemon juice. It's about 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, some dried dill, about 1/4 teaspoon, some black pepper, about a pinch, and some salt to taste. Again, just very little. And now I'm gonna give it a nice mix, and that's it. You don't need anything else. It's this easy. And now I'm gonna fill this in a piping bag so it gives a nice frosting kind of look on our cucumbers. To make a piping bag, I just take a sandwich and any tip you want, cut a little bit of the Ziploc bag, and then just insert the tip, and that's about it. Your piping bag is ready. And just empty the filling in the piping bag. I have that ready here. It looks like this. So now I will be taking a plate, take a cucumber, and then just plate them. And now I'm gonna pipe the frosting on it, sour cream frosting on it. And you can do like a cupcake, or you can do tiny flowers. I will be doing it like a cupcake. So It's a mountain of sour cream on top of cucumbers. This will add a nice contrast color to the salad. And to top it off, I will be using some thin slices of cherry tomatoes, red and yellow, so we can bring out some more color to our salad. And there you go. To give it a garden look, I'm gonna insert, if you have fresh dill, you can use fresh dill. I have a rosemary, so I will be using a rosemary on these. And then just put them on the side this way. And your quick cucumber salad is ready. This quick recipe of cucumber salad is ready to be served. With the holiday seasons, now you know 2 recipes of salad which are very colorful and very quick to make. So guys, happy holidays. Until I see you next, please don't forget to like and follow me on Facebook and Instagram, Cook with Sheetal. Until then, happy cooking, stay blessed, and happy holidays.